So something I don't think I've been asked is my thoughts on Social Security. Mr. Millennium Mike has found a video that he wants me to react to. So I have no idea what I'm about to see, but this should be fun. What do you got?
Yeah, this one just talks about one of the little known bad side effects of Social Security. I personally don't even think it's going to be around for me. You know, I'm in my early 30s. I don't think it's going to be there 35, 36 years from now. But, you know, who knows? But these two guys make a very compelling argument about some of the drawbacks of Social Security. So let's jump in.
T word.
Oh, that's a dirty word in my house.
It's a dirty word, right? I had a lady, she said, I've planned my retirement, and I planned my Social Security, and I planned for the amount that I'm supposed to get from Social Security in my retirement, but I'm not getting that amount. Maybe I need to sue the government. I said, well, we'll pump the brakes a little bit. Let's try and figure this thing out. You want to know what it was, Sam?
What?
The T word.
Oh, that's a dirty word in my house.
It's a dirty word, right?
You're not talking about tax.
Yeah, I'm talking about tax. I'm talking about her Social Security is being taxed. She's not the only one. Most people are going to have their Social Security taxed.
You're talking about just when you want your money back.
You just want it back.
They tax you on
They're
it.
going to tax you again.
Well, that's really not fair.
Yeah, so these poor people have spent their entire lives paying a Social Security tax. And then when they finally get that money, it's going to come back to them taxed again. What do you think, Mike? You think Social Security is a viable retirement plan?
Well, first off, it's funny that you brought it up that you did not count on Social Security. I'm nearly 20 years older than you, and I don't plan on it. Never did. Right? It's been threatened. What will likely happen in reality is they will cut this. They will delay ages, so something will be there. But I certainly didn't count on it, and don't need it. And yeah, I think people need to realize that that's income, and income is taxed. It's not taken out, as I understand it. Social Security tax is like your 401k. It's pre-tax. So it's taken out, put in, your company matches or puts in more. So it's unfortunate that people don't realize that income is taxed, and Social Security is income. So it is taxed. Now, if you happen to be below some income thresholds, you may pay zero tax. But trust me, you don't want to live below the poverty line.
Right.
So I don't know. It's unfortunate that people don't know.
Yeah, I fundamentally think that the entire system is busted. I think that it's part of the financial matrix. I think it's a safety net in encouraging you to think that there is a safety net, but in reality, it's not.
It's promising something distant in the future. Right. Just keep you working 40 hours for 40 years. We'll take care of, by the way, you live on 40%. It's horrible.
Yeah.
I never planned on getting it or keeping it or having it, so I've just found a different way.
Right. Anybody who lives on that fixed income, they're older, they live on a fixed income, they can't travel, they struggle to pay their bills, their property taxes still increase, inflation still happens all around them. You think the government's going to inflate Social Security at an adequate rate to keep up with the cost of anything? No, that means you just get poorer and poorer and poorer every year. And I think that is the worst result of a life where you probably worked extremely hard. You deserve to retire with dignity and not live poorer every month. So I hate the Social Security system. I think it's a giant lie, and I think people should not rely on it. So
agreed.
That's my strong opinion. All right. We've got another video and another segment. So Mike, we'll see you in that one.